doing the quickly demos. How could we use the RsVISA test utility? First thing, you should search the keyword and go to the website, RS website, and search the Visa TesterTools in here. And the first question is how could you install? On this website, they have a different kind of version, so you should click the latest version and doing the install. Yeah, because I already installed the software, so after then you could find the application in the here. Yeah, on the RsVISA. And yeah, let's do the quickly tester 64-bit application. And for the beginning, yeah, you definitely don't have this kind of information. And how could you find your device? They provide a very convenient utilities called the Find Resource. So when you click the Find Resource and select the refresh button, yeah, just waiting for a couple of seconds. You will see the other device, and I strongly recommend click the LXI and the VSI, and doing the refresh. Just wait a little bit. Yeah, they will search the whole internet device, include the GPIB and the network. In my case, yeah, I use LAN, LAN, to connect this device. So I got this device selected and click OK. So you will see your device in here. Yeah, good. So that's the first step. And the second step is I will doing the demos. How could you connect this device and doing some Visa command and get a response from the device. First thing, you need to do the connect to the my device. Yeah. In my case, my device is in this IP address selected. So you can see the both is successful. Open it and the successful response. The second step is I will write a very simple Visa command. Start IDM !n and select send amped. So let's doing the write. This means I write in this command to this device. Because and also you can click the read. The read, this means you can get the response from the device. So yeah, you can see it in my device. My device is the brand name and the module number and the blah 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 in here. So wish this video could give you some idea how could you use it. Okay, yeah, that's all. This is Pongo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.